Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix connection error in DragonVale. So first of all you have to check your internet connection that it is secure or not. First of all you have to change your router. If you are using the Wi-Fi you have to just change it to the mobile data, and if you are using the mobile data you have to just change it to the Wi-Fi. After that the next method is to restart your router or turn on or off the flight mode. So let's move on the next method. You have to just open your phone settings. Here you have to select the SIM card and the mobile network and click on your SIM that you are using for your network connection. After that you have to scroll down and here you have to click on the access point names. And now you have to click on the three dots and click on the reset to default. After doing this you have to move back. Here you have to select the preferred network type and make sure that you selected the first one. After that you have to just click on the choose network option and disable this option for 1 minute. And after 1 minute you have to again enable it. After this your problem will be resolved. If not you have to just move on the next method. So let's move on the next method. You have to open your Play Store and search here the DragonVale and check that if it is updated or not. If not you have to just update your game. And the last thing is that you have to contact the support team of the DragonVale, which will help you to solve your problem. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.